Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can bulk upload products to your eBay store with a few clicks. The way you do this is you want to make sure you have your template set up, and then you also want to make sure that you have the Chrome extension downloaded. Once you have the Chrome extension downloaded, it should look like this saying remove from Chrome. But once you have it downloaded, you must log in, and then you will see the lister and things like that. But really, you don't really need the Chrome extension for eBay because we directly integrate with them. So we don't really reprice using the Chrome extension. But the Chrome extension is a great tool to help you with products uploading and things like that. So any supplier that you go on, whether it's Amazon, eBay, or Walmart, you'll see these two buttons that say upload X amount of products or export X amount of products. And basically what it does is it takes all the products on the page and it exports them or uploads them to your Fbmfox account. So here I just went on some Walmart site and I went to a category, deals, and then I just sorted by like price low. And it tells me I have 70 products on this page. And all I'm going to do is hit upload 70 products. And what this does is it sends these products to my bulk upload area. And you'll see it load up here soon. All right, so you should see it load up right here. So it shows that it actually sent it twice, so I'm just going to delete one. But it shows that 70 products are now here. And remember that template we made in the previous video that said eBay template video? That's the template we want to apply. And what that'll do is it'll send my products to eBay. It'll send my products to Facebook shops and all of those great things. And then all I have to do is hit begin upload. And once I do this, what's going to happen is it's going to do exactly what it's saying it's going to do. It's going to send my products to my eBay store and all those other stores. So we just have to sort of sit back and relax and kind of walk away, and the bulk uploader will do its magic. And we just have to give it a moment to produce results, right? So here you're going to start seeing this product just got uploaded. It's a Hot Wheels thing. If I click it, you can see that, there's 7 available, $28. It has all my information that we set up before. So, as time goes on, all of those products are going to be uploaded. And that's essentially what the bulk uploader does. Now, the bulk uploader is not smart enough to take care of item specifics. And this is what you guys really have to take care of in your store, right? So you have to make sure the item specifics are correct. So what are item specifics? Item specifics are essentially when you go into your eBay area, there's a whole bunch of recommended item specifics here. Like there's just so many. It's like brand, we got the brand, the software smart enough to figure that out, but vehicle make, it's not that smart to figure that out. So like, you should probably, figure that out. Maybe I could just call it Hot Wheels. And then vehicle year, 2022, scale, like all of these things, they give your listing a lot more character, you could say. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a whole bunch of random stuff just so it shows you the difference, right? So here's what it looks like. And then here is what we're going to do. Just add a whole bunch of things and then hit save changes. And what you'll notice is there will be more features down here, right? So our software kind of helps you. It's kind of your friend where it tells you, hey, this is recommended, this recommended, this, it tells you what's recommended. And then you can just go through the drop downs and go ahead and add a bunch of things to increase the quality of your listings, right? So now you can see that a lot of my listings are being posted to eBay. And let's just see if we were able to get some more. Right, so we got this one to upload. Here's one of them. Floor ride with sounds. Not really sure what this is. But anyways, for the demonstration of the video, we just had it. That's that. So these bulk uploads will continue to go until they're all done. And you will find some errors if certain products don't go through. So here it said the bulk upload couldn't find the category that this product should go into. So maybe you should manually upload this product. There's been a lot of times where that's not possible. Now, the other thing is this account has a limit. So, you know, my eBay is telling me I can't list this to eBay because it would exceed my amount of $5,300 that I can list because my account has a limit on it. So basically, you know, it rejected the product. So the statuses are going to be shown if there's errors or not. Now, if it goes to Facebook Shops and Marketplace, then it'll still add the product in your account. So you could still find the products there in those sales channels. So that's basically how you can upload, you know, thousands and thousands of products to your eBay store if it permits and if the limits are there. And you could just send many products to your eBay store through the bulk uploader. Just make sure you have the template set up and then make sure you get those item specifics right with our helper, our dynamic helper that tells you what's recommended, what you should put in there to increase the quality of your listing. So if you haven't tried using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. Our software is just getting more and more powerful. It's become that all-in-one solution for now Walmart, eBay, Shopify, Facebook Shops. We have Amazon on the way, and everything is under one subscription. So you're not paying additionally for add-ons. It's only $29 a month with a 7-day free trial. So go ahead and start using it and grow with us, you know, learn how to use the software as it gets better and more refined. You guys can benefit as sellers. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great one. Bye.